Right, so I've got the DJI Action 5 Pro, and let me show you how to connect this camera to your Windows computer and also transfer videos from the camera to the PC. Now, this is very simple. All you need is a USB Type-C cable, all right? So the Type-C cable goes into the Type-C port on the camera right there. The other end of the cable could be Type-C if your computer has Type-C. If not, it could be a Type A to Type C cable. As long as it's a data cable, any cable works, all right? So the most important thing is to have a cable that connects one end into the computer and the other end into the camera. Now, as soon as you connect the cable in one end to the PC and the other end, as soon as it goes into the camera, it's going to give you options to choose whether you want to use as a webcam or to charge only or as data transfer. Okay, so let me do that again. I'm just going to disconnect and then I'm going to connect once again. So the three options are there. Make sure you choose file transfer. All right, and once it's connected, it's gonna say connected. So now you can see the dialog box has popped up on the screen. Now, in case it doesn't pop up, all you have to do is simply go to this PC, just go to the File Explorer on your computer, and on the left-hand side, look for Osmo Action drive. Okay, so it's going to be called Osmo Action by default. And these are the folders inside the camera. So you can just double-click on that and double click again, and you can see all the files and folders in here. Now let's change the view to be extra large icon so you can actually see what we're talking about here. So we have our video clips. I'm just gonna play one. You can even play them directly from the camera before you even transfer. All right. Now, if you want to transfer them, just create a folder. I'm just gonna create one quickly here on the desktop. You can create a folder wherever you want. So let me find my folder. So here's my folder. I'm gonna call it Action 5 videos. All right. So now it's very simple. I'll just copy, and I can even copy more than one clip at the same time. Right click, copy, and then come to the folder, right click and paste. It's really that simple. That's how you connect and transfer videos from your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro to your Windows computer. So you can see it's transferring. It's literally as simple as that, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.